Let's configure EDC 4100. Once you power on the meter, press both these buttons at the same time. This initiates the meter's configuration mode, and asks you to enter the device's passcode. The default factory set passcode is 1000. Set this code using the scroll down key and press the right enter key. The programming mode of meter is now active. You can see the clear option by default after the password is set. Press the left key to access PT primary. Press right key to view the PT primary values. And press the left key to change the values. Press right enter key to set it. Scroll down to the next options. This is channel 1 full scale, channel 1 shunt value, channel 2 full scale, channel 2 shunt value. Similarly channel 3. Then channel 4. Reverse log. Digital output parameter 1. Threshold value. Digital delay time. These are baud rate and parity for the RS485 Modbus RTU communication. The device ID for the communication is set as 1 by default. Scroll down further to change the passcode. This is energy selection. To save the changes, press Y. Or if you choose to ignore the changes, you can press N.